So what I'm going to do now is to block in the warmer chamois leather, and once I've done that, then I'll go to the background layers. So let's get that on the go now. I'm going to use actually a slightly smaller brush than that. Let's have a quick think. I'm going to use these. Those two, I think. Let's get these in. We've got some real dark areas next door to some highlights, which is going to make this really kind of standing. Yeah, it's going to make it stand out really, which is nice. Ideally speaking, your lightest lights, it's always nice to have them next door or near to your darkest darks to create a bit of contrast and interest. Big secret, do not put too much paint on. Now we're fairly close to this, and this is wet, this is quite live. So I'm going to be really careful around here. I think actually there's a bit to go on that corner. I can see the back end of the cardboard roll. So I'll put that in as a retro in a minute. Take your time, like I said, Lewis, because it's so easy to lose yourself in these fabric folds. Now, of course, if you've got dark and you've got a medium and you've got a light, when you put the light over the slightly darker one and the medium, etc., you automatically get a blend. You get a softened edge, but it's blending with control. If we were to put a big brush like this and just go, over it, the darks would bleed into the lights would bleed into the darks, and before you know where you are, you've lost control. So better to not do that. Better to see where it needs to go and to keep control. So random strokes, crossing down, going up, left to right, right to left, up and down. That's really important to put that across, as it just makes painting, well, it makes your paintings look much better.